gonna come.
Yep.
The thing's gonna come
Here it
down.
comes. That's right. You gotta hold still.
Yeah. The older one's in front.
That's right.
And the one's in the young one's in back.
Yep. Here it
There's one gate. There's one gate. There's one gate, Daddy.
Yep.
One gate.
Yep. Here he comes.
The gates go all go
That's right.
the four are. It's going. It's going. I think it might go. I think it might go in.
Mm-hmm.
But it's at the gate.
Mm-hmm.
That's the Golden Northern place.
Wave. Say hi. Say hi. Wave your hands. Whoa. That's right. It's a big one, huh?
When the gates are down.
Hmm?
When the gates are down.
Why do you think the gates are down? Because why? That's right, the train's moving. What kind of cars are these? And what about these cars right here coming?
Black car.
Yeah, and then coal cars? Yep. And here comes some tank cars. And here comes 3 tank cars. Those are big tank cars, huh? You like those tank cars?
Working cars.
Yep, there's some more. Oh, those are hopper cars.
What are those?
Those are big hopper cars.
Where cars go?
There might be some more.
Will that tank cars?
I don't know. That has some noisy bearings, huh?
No noise there.
Yeah.
No noise there. Oh, the mountain has no noise in there.
Yeah. Wow, this is a big one, buddy. It is. This is one of the biggest ones I've ever seen coming out of course. Yeah.
A big car.
Yeah, a purple train car. Here comes some other coal cars down there. Yeah. Yeah. Here comes some coal cars. Oh, those are noisy, huh? Here comes some blue ones. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's some more blue ones, huh? Yeah? Yeah. Wow, that was noisy.
That was loud.
Yeah, it was. Here comes some more box cars.
Green box car.
Yep.
Green box car.
There's a green one. That is a nice green one, huh? I think we're getting close to the end. Oh, they left that door open. Yep, there's the end. Here's the end of it. That was a long one, huh? The cars are getting to go now because the train's fast. Here comes the last car. And it's a noisy one. Wow, that's a noisy one, all right. There's the last one. There it goes. Well, I think that's the biggest one we've ever seen, huh? That's it.
The other one.
Did you like that one?
The other one.
Which one?
The other.
Oh, the yellow Union Pacific? We're going to go home right now, okay? We'll watch this on TV. You want to see this big one on TV? Okay, let's stop it. Hold on.